Hi teachers, today we're going to learn how to put in audio into our Google Slides presentation. So first you want to go to your slides.google.com and then you're going to open a new presentation, or you can pick one that you've already started. But what you're going to do, there's a couple ways I'm going to show you. This is mostly so that if you wanted to do an end of the year presentation for your students with pictures and music, this is a great way to do it. So you can use photos from your Google Photos, you can use them from Google Drive, any of those things. So I'm just going to insert a few images into my slides, and let's use my Drive and see what images are here. Okay, so let's see, we're just going to use my Bitmoji images, and then we're going to do a new slide, and we're going to insert. Again, all you have to do is click insert image, and you can do it from your Drive. And I'm just going to get a few on here, and then we're going to do Control M. It'll get me a new slide, and then I'm going to title this end, or maybe end of year slideshow. Slides 2021. Okay, so now let me put in, let's just say we'll do one more picture. So we'll click from our Drive and we'll do a Bravo. Okay, so what you're gonna do is then you're gonna, if you want an audio file, the trick is to have that audio file already in your Google Drive. In this case, it could be an MP3 file or anything like that. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna click Insert. Then you're gonna click Audio. And then you're gonna see all kinds of audio come up where your Google Drive is. So then you click the one you want. It says creating audio, and then it'll have a little play button down here. You can open it in Drive from your presentation, but what you're gonna do is you want it to start automatically, and you do not want it to stop on the slide change. So if I want my slideshow to be 3 minutes of pictures and I have a 3-minute song, then it'll keep going as the slides are being presented. Now, here's also another trick. So what you're gonna do is if you want to present from the beginning, you can press Control Shift and then F5, and then it will present for you. You open the door. Good, I'm gonna pause it for just a second because the other important part is that here's an option menu, and you want this to play, and you want it to play well, you can decide if you want the slides to go for 5 seconds or 3 seconds, but then I'm gonna click play, and it should be good to go.
I suddenly saw a brand new
Music
beginning, a beautiful hope, a reason to believe it's what you give to me.
This, and then you can just click that exit button and you'll go back to where your slides are. Now, that is the first way to do it from present, but this is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. So if I would like, this way you can do it from anywhere. Of course, we know with Google products, you can, as long as you're logged in, you can kind of do them from any computer. But what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna publish your presentation to the web. Then it says auto advance your slides every 3 seconds, and you can change that if you'd like. And then it says start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and you could restart the slideshow after the last slide. So if you want this going on in your room during the last day of the year, or however you want to do it, you can do it that way. If you get this link, which is great, you're gonna look at the other, you can actually restrict access to the following. So if you just want Carbon School District to be able to view it, then that would be the best way when you publish this to the web. So what you're gonna do, that way nobody else can see it, and it would just only be for you and whoever has the link. Even if they have the link, they won't be able to view it unless they have a Carbon School District email. So you would click publish, and it says, are you sure when to publish a selection? Then you get a fun little link that you can copy. You can share it using your Gmail or whatever else you need. You can also embed it if you have a website and you want to embed the video into your website, you can do that as well. But then when I go up here and I paste my website.
You open the door, the light came rushing in. I suddenly saw
that is how you would create pictures and audio to make a slideshow for the end of the year. Thanks for watching and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.